Thank you so much for coming back to learn how to doodle and draw with me. Today I'm going to show you a few simple steps to draw a snail. A snail is a mollusk. This means that they have a shell or a hard shell on the outside of their body. First, you'll start with a line, just like I've done here. Next, you will connect a shell to that line. It's simple, just a simple little spiral. Did you know that the snail keeps the same shell for their entire life? And they can use that shell and fit all the way inside of it if they're hiding from a predator. Next, you're going to want to add a little bit of detail to the shell. I've just added another straight line to the existing line that I already had. Next, you'll draw a body. I like to curve a little head-like shape from the side of the shell and then kind of extend it. Did you know that snails leave slime behind as they travel? This slime helps to protect them and keep their bodies safe. Next, you'll want to draw a couple of little lines from the top to hold their eyes. These stalks with the eyes on top, you can draw pupils and eyelashes and a little smile on his face. Did you know that snails cannot hear? They rely on other senses. Next, I've gone ahead and added some color to my snail, and I've done like a brownish gold shell, a green body, and look at him travel along, leaving that slime behind. Now I've added a nice little background to my snail so that he can hide safely in the grass. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I know that you like what you see, and I'd love to see your pictures. Feel free to send them to me. Thank you.